Why don't you just enable SLI? Okay, so it doesn't start when I reloaded it. Because I'm not playing, that would be why. Oh, imagine that. 60 FPS. Interesting. Does that fuck with TD, you think? No, actually it's about the same. Be a little bit better, I don't know. 56. Less me running around in the nodes. Yeah, 50. Well, it's actually a little bit better. Let's see here. Yeah, no, they're not linked. 99% GPU use. Oh shit, did I lose you, Malcolm? Oh fuck, I think I hung up on Malcolm. I don't know what happened there. Rip Malcolm. His name was Robert Paulson. Oh. Oh, probably. Yeah, my sound probably changed. Oh yeah, it did. Here we go. Should work now. Call you right back. Oh fuck, hang on. My audio output. Why would changing it from SLI fuck with my fucking video? That's so dumb. Default communications device. Okay, there we go. I got it now. There we go. Yeah, I fixed it. Yeah, it's tanking, but it's working better. Yeah, now I'm at like half a millisecond. Or like, no, sorry. The GPU cook is like, 1/10 of a millisecond. Well, no matter what with the correction rate, I don't seem to be gaining or losing anything by changing that. Field correction rate. Okay, now it's tanking. Right. What the fuck? Oh, I moved the temperature. Let me reload this. Hey, have you put any thought into like how we organize everything and like play it? Oh, all right. Do you want an updated one? Because, well, I guess it doesn't really matter. No, it doesn't matter. Because I've redone like a lot of geo because I had to match like stage mechanics and shit. Yeah, it's fine for that. See, because it just food for thought is so like if I did it like track per container, blah blah blah, and then put all my elements in every track, and then just went back in and went over it with a comb and decided to like, oh, I want this parameter, that parameter, whatever, and then it's all modular. We build it into a system. But I thought that like, well, if we make it per container kind of thing, well, see, switching between the containers is kind of awkward because there's going to be a point where it's like all black, you know? So containers would have to be initialized at 0 and then elements build and then they break down and then go back to 0, switch container and then build up, break down. But you can't really have that kind of fade, right? So I thought like, well, okay, well the graceful solution is using like the crossfade on a switch, So you can crossfade into the next and the other. But like what if in some cases we want to pull an element from one container, like and have that running like a background from like a previous track run up until halfway through the next switch, It's like shit like that I'm thinking about. That scares me. No, because I think just the way that like Resolume kind of works, and I hate to use it as an example, but it's like, so you have like 3 video layers, you know what I mean? And then the sections, the tracks, like basically all the components of a tracks are basically organized from like left to right or however they fucking set it up. And then you have 3 layers. So if you're up on the top layer, you can pick that background and then this fucking foreground from another track, and then use like a video like slider, like an A and B mix, exactly what you just said, right? So maybe organizing not them in the way of organizing tracks, but the component type for containers. So like LED wall will be a container that just has all the LED wall elements. And then the cube elements will just only be cube clips, and then the lights, etc. We do those last because I'm just assuming the LD is going to just take care of some quick solution to get the lights going. So I'm not going to worry about pixel map lights yet. So then that way, when we use some main track selector, it will say, okay, go to the LED wall nodes and use that or that or that or that. You know what I mean? Which one of those? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right, and then especially when we add things, or we're bored of this, then we just delete it. Then it's not container dependent anymore. You know what I mean? Like, so that's yeah. Okay, cool. Well, I'll dick around with that. I mean, it works, so that's good. It's like real flow at this point, but it's cool. Or optical flow, whatever. Yeah, but getting it into like a 3D space where we can truck our camera around and then have that reprojection working like the way that we would just treat normal 3D content would be fucking boss. Yeah, because like the ultimate test really would be like having multiple geometry colliders coming with the smoke. So basically, I could put this emitter in the middle of like a flex geo output, and then yeah, that would be the ultimate GPU test. And then while flex is fucking throwing shit around, it's interacting with the smoke as well. I don't know. Try it. You know what I really would love to? And this is I don't maybe you can do this, but like from instance geometry, I would love an output of that. Even if it's heavy as fuck, I don't give a shit. But like, and then like being able to export that as an alembic, frame by frame. Because then I could, yeah, because the thing is you could make these really crazy particle systems out of geo and all this really cool geo stuff. Print a fucking alembic, bring it into Houdini and render it for real. You know what I mean? That'd be awesome. Right. Yeah, and then just use it as point cloud fucking data, and then just replace your fucking geo in Houdini and render away. Yeah, that'd be cool. Why? What would be faster? You know what? You could probably do it with GLSL, right? Oh, so like top to point cloud or fucking whatever, right? Oh, hey, Snow, can you link me to that video again? I want to show Malcolm. Dude, check this little thing out Snow's working on. It's pretty cool. This could come super in handy with what we're doing. What the fuck is it? Oh, I don't Discord. It's kind of a work in progress, but it looks really fucking promising. I think I have it. No, yeah, I found it. Yeah, here, just watch my stream. I'll just play it on there. No, he doesn't talk. Yeah, so they're like all these little buttons and stuff like that you can, and then you can also add in like containers or thumbnails of images and stuff like that. Um, so you could also do, I think he does it in the next one. Have like a little JPEG thumbnail of whatever, which would be great because we have to make like a Fisher Price fucking control panel for our video guy to be able to kind of be a TD op. You know what I mean? And I can get him off Resolume finally, and then that kind of thing. So yeah, so like a menu system like that, it's pretty fucking cool. Yeah, or type the name in, whatever. So I like that. I wonder where he's at with it. Says that machine is an offline test. You could use this sector for a mixer. Yeah, absolutely. So yeah. Yeah. Does flow still work? Fucking better. Or not flow, I can have more than one flex node in here, right? Wait. Oh. It's like, where the fuck is my flex node? I think it's this one, right? Oh, rip. Didn't like that. So you have to legit, like, what is destroying my life right now? Probably just have to reinitialize this or something. Oh, that sucked. Wow, what happened? Everything's dying, Malcolm. Can you do it when it's not playing? Okay, so only 185 milliseconds. But it worked beautifully before. Really? Should I just maybe not cook it? I don't think I am cooking it. Well, what about the other one then? Even worse. Probably a lot. Jeez, I can't even fucking get into it. Where do you do that in process? Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's in here, right? Reinit class. And then fucking... Yeah, weird. Oh. 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 Did something No, it didn't default weird. What if I unload and reload the plugin? No. Fuck. It's broken. Can that actually happen? Right. Right. Okay, so I just took it out. Gonna just relaunch. Okay, whatever. That's one way to get rid of it. For fuck's sakes. This machine is turning into such a pig. I just got so much crap running. I can't wait to have a fucking dedicated, no, nothing but TD on rig. No. It's annoying. I hate it. Hello? Oh. Is it? We should have. You know what? Let's have bookmarks, okay? Add that on the list. Like a tab up here, favorites. You know what I mean? Really? Well, I can go to root and bookmarks. Oh, bookmark this pane. Well then, shit. Well, all right. I'm gonna bookmark this and call it fucking Does it show up in the thing though, or how do you get to it? Oh, you have to. Oh, okay. All right, whatever. Come on. What are you doing? It's just no. It's just crashing like a mofo. Spent like an hour on that shit. More than that. Should I roll back? will my will my shit work? Well, we're at, where was it? Like 64 or something like that. Let me try this. I don't know. Go back to 64. If it's there, it's there. Well, the only thing I changed was SLI. Well, it's not in this one. Oh. Oh. Well. Oh, that looks gooder. I don't know. What? Yeah, this is flex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was doing either or, right? Like, so if I just shut that up and then go over here, I don't see why it'd be any different. It's reading the same DLL. Oof. Okay. So this is the C++ one, and it just took a hit. Yeah. I've had this problem before where like if you have multiple ones in there. No bueno. But this one works. Oh, now it just broke the whole fucking thing. That's what that one did. So now it's just not doing it. Like what? To do with resetting. Okay. Yeah, it's running on GPU 0. Can you set affinity somewhere? So I wonder, could we dedicate Flex to like 2 or 3 or something? Well, we wouldn't want to do that because as soon as I fucking put in, well, it shouldn't matter because I'm only gonna have one GPU in the live rig anyway. Right. So can you set TD to like a launch option for? Oh, right, it's the DLL. Rip. Schlag. Maybe loading the plugin with the CPP chop via TD plugin at the same time is causing the conflict. Maybe. What if I delete it? Is it gonna whack that? Out of curiosity. That conflict. Yeah, I can't even. Yeah, I can't even delete one or the other. So I guess I have to pick a favorite right now and then just use that. Well, the other thing I tried to do like a while back was just have one flex node and then in other containers have it pull that data. But it turned into like a get param set param override problem, you know? So you have to build like a big fuck off preset system. Weird flex, but okay. Yeah, let me take one out. Let's see what happens. Which one did I do? Yeah, I can delete O2. I think. Okay, so everything's good and great. I can delete that. Uncook that. Go here. Everything is normal. Nothing is broken. Oh, because it's not running. Yeah, and then I'll just. Fucking crashed again. I just deleted the other one. What's the problem? Do I have it compiled? Yeah. I have the VCC here. No. I compiled it. Why do you see some funky in the source or something? Oh, you can. How do you do that? Just assets, flex code at 10, flex job, chop source. In the SLN, you mean? Do you have to turn like a debug on here or something? Or does it just do it? Oh, okay. So let me load the file. Oop. Attached to process. Oh, okay. Attached to process. QRST touch, just touch designer. Requires elevated permissions. Are you serious? Fuck's sake. Yes, you fucking loser. There's no recent. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh, fuck, man. You'd think it would just be like, okay, I just restarted because I told you to, but I'm not gonna open up the file that you just fucking had open. That's fine. Exclude it then. Jerk. Oh, there it goes. Okay. And now I just do it. Hopefully it'll crash. Well, there you go. It just fucking crashed. You happy? Nothing. I just hit play. Oh, right. Break all. Do you just let that keep crashing, or do you just fucking kill it? I don't think it's running, to be honest, but... No. Shit. I just want to get rid of one. You know what? I guess I can open up the crash and then just take one out and then save it. Which one was it? Fuck, where's that crash file? 0 KB. Amazing. This one? Wait, but that's not what I want to do because I don't want to open up the one with 2 nodes. Right. 9:40 p.m. Where did the crash one go? Date modified. Should be this one, but it's 0 KB. What the actual shit? Yeah. It's nothing. What? It didn't even crash properly. How do you not crash right? So... Uh-huh. Right, which is auto, right? That's what it was at. Like that. Oh my fucking aching ass. Yeah. Alright, hang on one second.